How to delete Instagram comments. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then here you'll be able to see all the posts that you have posted on Instagram. Now go to any specific post where you want to delete the comments. Now if you want to delete the comments, you can see over here view all comments option is given. So just tap on view all comments and here you can see the comment. Now in order to delete the Instagram comments, you just have to make a long press and then tap on delete. Now make sure that you are the admin or it's your profile that you can delete the Instagram comments over here. If it's in another account, you'll not be able to delete the Instagram comments. So it has to be your account. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.